Menteri Ramba ke Jylla Konrad ki sangma kar hoi trip ya yong ulong bakandon ke jing Pynthymmai ba jing Pynkylla ke bor Pynïaid Jylla le ni ke state administration ha ki Sngi banwan ha ka ba ka wen ki jing kala ka bala jing but kalong bandon ki nong tremon sobha ni ki snong bakin long ki nong mi khmat ke sarkar ha ki snong jongki Menteri Ramba ulong ye ke ni ha ba kren ha jing yalang ha ka National Civil Service Day ka ba khan ria ka bala pelong ha ka ni ke Sngi ha conference hall jong Pinewood Hotel Shillong ha po ka phang padeng visit Bharat kabala thumu ban Pynkup bor ginong song snong baban poi shadu kamer kabakadu.
So we have a great responsibility. You have a great responsibility. You have great power, as mentioned by the Chief Secretary, and I hope that you will always be reminded to use it for the right purpose, and always keep the purpose, the real desire and the real reason why you're here. Keep in mind, because that is what will enable you to keep going even in difficult times. That is what is going to ensure that you never accept failure. You have a great responsibility and you will have challenges, but it will be important for you to ensure that you take those challenges in a positive manner. You continue to focus on what you're supposed to do and do it with the right intention and with the right purpose. Let this be a day that reminds you again and again about why we are all here. So I really look forward to working with all of you in this new term. So therefore we are in the new government, a new term has started, so we have a long way ahead, and hence I look forward to a lot of positive contribution from all of you, and I look forward to us working as a good team. And as I said, when I say team, it means we take responsibility together, and we have respect for each other, and we work with a sense of a very strong purpose.
Haba jingkran hakani ke Sngi uba DP walang uba Dew Chief Secretary ulong bahagi senam baladam ke civil service kalayo shibun ki jing shakang tho bar kaladai kapor ban phaidien bat bishar bania banakanu ka daw katak steel frame kelas dang ban sarang bar bali ki jing penchai jong civil service kala shabu jing kali na kapor.
We are lucky because the political executive over here, they are totally different from the rest of the country. We have a chief minister who's very friendly with the bureaucrats, who's very helpful all the time. At the same time, it's like an iron fist in a velvet glove. We are lucky because more than anything, he has his heart in the right place. That is why we are all very fortunate to be working in this environment where we have seldom come across and seldom seen any conflict between the political executive and the bureaucracy.
Chief Secretary lo wanraru ikapang kabay Dave ka Civil Service Award ha ka Jylla kabay Sri National Civil Service Award.